Hot product alert. Hot product coming through.
Are you saying hot product because it heats up?
No, I was just saying, I was referring to how hot the product was. But
okay,
I tried.
Thank you. This morning, we're going to be trying out the L'Oreal Professional Steampod. I am excited and nervous, but mostly excited. So I'm unboxing it here. I haven't tried it yet. Let's take it out of the box and peel the plastic off. It has a luxurious feel. It's kind of heavy. It's not heavy, but it has like a weight to it. And it has like a little comb here, and then the hot plates, and it also has a little tank for water. So it comes with this little guy to fill it up so you can steam your hair, apparently. I'm gonna fill this up and then we're gonna try it on my hair. I slept with my hair wet last night. I have hair extensions, so like here is kind of straight, but my natural hair texture is actually super curly. So we're gonna see how it works. So this little thing pops off the side, and then I just filled this with some water. Okay, it has a little max fill line on there, so I'm gonna stop it there. And then just pop it back in, I think. I'm gonna plug it in and turn it on and then section my hair. So the on button is just right here, and then it automatically sets to 350 degrees, which is the lowest, and that's fine with me. And once it heats up, I think it stops blinking. So I'm gonna set it down and section my crazy hair. You can kind of hear it heating up and getting the steam ready. It also has arrows pointing down this way, so I think it goes like this. Let's give it a test run on this crazy curly Q right here. Whoa. That actually worked pretty well. Feels really soft. Okay, I'm impressed. Let's keep going. They say this is 2 times faster and less breakage, so I'm interested on how that works. Look how straight that got. I usually go over my hair twice. Ouch, it's hot. Okay, let's do this whole side. Alright, so this is one side done. It feels really, really soft. It feels like when you go to a salon and get your hair done, and how like smooth it is afterwards. What the heck? Compared to this, that you can barely run your fingers through because it's all like curly and weird. All right, let's try it on this side. I love this comb too. You can also pop the comb out of it, I noticed. Like here, you just pop it out. Let's try one side without it. Still super straight, but the comb is what makes it super sleek. I can't get over how like silky it's making my hair feel. All right, next section is down. I never wore my hair straight, but with the comeback of like the early 2000s, Y2K look. I've been wanting to wear my hair straight. It's harder with hair extensions because my hair is obviously way shorter than my hair extensions. And so sometimes it's hard to make them blend, but this is making it so smooth. I might be able to wear my hair straight. Like super straight. It's hard to get your hair like super sleek and straight, but I'm feeling like this might do the trick. I still have a ton of water left in the tank too, so it seems like it lasts pretty long. I love this little comb on this thing. This is so smart. Because usually I run a brush or something through my hair after I use a flat iron so that it'll be silky and smooth, but it never quite does the trick. So this is like genius. Look how smooth that is. And there's almost no frizz. Like I just have to go over the frizzy parts of my hair. I'm shocked. The only product I have in my hair right now is a heat protector. Look at that. I'm like coming up close to see if it's even real life. Look how straight and smooth that is compared to this. This is cute, but look how smooth. I can't get over it. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'll show you the finished look. All right, so this is the finished look. My hair's never been this straight in my whole life. This is what I always wanted my straight hair to look like and could never get it there. What the heck? So I'd say this was a successful first impression. I wish you could feel how smooth my hair is. It looks like one of those commercials. You know where they do like this and it looks all shiny and smooth? I also think you can curl with this, which is super exciting. So let me know if you want to see a video of me curling my hair with the L'Oreal Professional Steampod from hair.com. They also gave me a discount code for you guys, so if you would like to try it out and purchase for yourself, you can do so at hair.com. I'll leave it linked down below in the description. And let's just take a moment for this hair because I feel like a pop star. I feel like a cheetah girl. Again, I'll leave everything linked down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you don't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me?